What go on my tenement yard peeps? You know my mix up already. And you know I'm always gonna say the things that people are afraid of saying. Cause tell me why. Ishawna just always itch up in a Vybz Kartel skin like a ticks. Ishawna, why you always itch up on Vybz Kartel? You know, bragging that you're at his crib. And for all those who didn't know, Vybz Kartel purchased a beautiful mansion in the US. You know, he's residing there. Now, I know Vybz Kartel and Ishawna have collaborated musically. They have a musical friendship. But if you listen to Ishawna's song and then watch this girlie, you know, her characters speak volumes. And I'm not going to confirm anything that I'm not sure of. But I think she is low-key smashing Vybz Kartel and Sidem like them in some threesome business. That's my honest opinion. I'm not confirming it to be true, but Ishawna give me that vibes. Like she and Kartel and Sidem lay down in one bed and them a do the things them. Because why is she so close, man? Not even Spice so close to Vybz Kartel. And Spice and Kartel sing a dirty song, Ramping Shop. Something is not right. And I think this is so sad. I think it's sad. Ishawna, like, be for real. Stop itch up on the man. Go out there. Build some song and build some tune. You don't need Vybz Kartel to build up yourself or to look like a big deal on the internet. You just itch up on the man's song. It doesn't look right to me. I don't know if this girl is trying to use Vybz Kartel as a way to, you know, sustain the image, add a little flamboyance to her, you know, relevance. I don't know what she's doing, but it don't look good. You know, you're acting like Vybz Kartel is like a sugar daddy or something. I don't like it. But let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Like this video, share if you care, comment if you care, and see you guys another time.